is my POWERXL grill. Look at that. It is cooking my steaks in there. These steaks are looking so good. It's marinating. It's cooking. Okay, let me open it so you guys can see. So as you can see over here on the POWERXL grill, you see I have the fan. I have it on 400 grilling. And I got the fan on so it doesn't make any smoke inside because I'm grilling inside of my kitchen. And this is the power button, and yeah, look at that. So we're gonna cut it shut, close it, and then eventually I'm gonna turn it over. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift it. All right, you guys, and yeah, now I'm gonna turn it around because I don't want to cook so much on one side. Ooh, look how we got that ribeye steak. Ooh, yeah, boy. And we're gonna turn this around. Now we're gonna let that marinate. Okay, we're gonna let that cook. Look at that. Look at that. It's doing its magic, okay? Period. These rib eyes are cooking. Let's see what's going on here. Look at that. They is just getting very juicy here. Okay? Look how juicy they are. Look at that. I'm giving you guys a close-up. Look at that. Look how good they look. So we're gonna toss them around. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So look at that grill, beef-eyed steaks. They are cooking. So let's look into it. Ooh, look at that. They grilling, man. They really grill. Ooh, look at the grill. This is the POWERXL. Make sure you guys go purchase it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. You gotta get you your POWERXL grill. So they are cooking, and then I am getting my green peppers and stuff ready. Look at that. Looking good. So now I'm gonna get my green peppers and onions and stuff ready to add into the grill. So you guys, I am adding these frozen green peppers, red peppers, and yellow pepper onions into the steak. Okay, yes, I do the frozen packs. I'm not really too keen with the produce, so I use the frozen bags of produce. So I have my green peppers and stuff inside of my big pan, and now I'm gonna transfer it over to my steaks. Now we gotta see how these steaks are doing right now. Okay, look at that. And I love the indoor grill because you can actually grill on your countertop, and this is so convenient, you guys. This is why I love this grill. Okay, so I'm gonna toss this over one more time. All right, toss that over one more time, and now, yeah, it's looking good. It's looking done. All right, it don't take that long to cook. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these, yeah, green peppers, red peppers, add them in there. Okay, yeah. And let that marinate and cook. And then we're gonna add some of the favorite sauce that I have. That's a surprise. You will see that coming up soon. Okay, I love a lot of green peppers, red peppers, onions. Okay, I love a lot of this. All right. So now we're just gonna add that in there. Now we're gonna shut this closed and let that. Now we're gonna check on the steak and see what's going on with it. Wow, look at that. This is looking really good. Really, really good. So now what we're going to add is my special sauce, which is this sauce right here. Okay, so we're gonna add some of this sauce because I was supposed to marinate it so it could grill, but I didn't do it because I wanted to, like, I don't know why. Don't ask me. I think I forgot. But apparently I was supposed to add some of this sauce to grill. It was supposed to marinate actually, but I didn't do it. So yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna toss this around. Okay, and then we're gonna toss this over. All right. And then we're gonna add some more on this side. Yeah. Yeah, this was actually was supposed to marinate, but I didn't do it. So yeah, we're just gonna add some of the sauce on there. Okay, and then we're gonna close it and let it continue to stew. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the temperature a little bit up more. Yeah. Okay, this is looking really good. Let's take a close up. Let's get a close up of it. Look at that. This is looking really good. Really delicious. Look how tender that is. So yeah, this is looking really good. POWERXL will do it for you.